What's up, everybody? Mr. Bald back at it with another video for you. I don't know how special it is, but I've already made an unboxing video of it, so I'm really just doing an update video on this bad boy. So it's the Dremel. Love this thing, always use it. I wouldn't say always, not too much these days, but I do stuff like this. You know, I make wood pieces. This is a wood piece that I made. Glossed it up, Mr. Bald Chronicles. But yeah, I use it to cut out the little divots, round and smooth the edges. But anyway, this is my #1 tool. I don't know how far you follow me back, but I originally had the Dremel 4000. It was corded, loved it, had it for years. It was all stained up and dirtied up. This is just around a year old, if quite a year. So it's not all banged up and stained up like the other one was. Eventually it will be. But yeah, decided to go wireless, cordless, and pick up the one with the battery. So this works wonders. The battery holds up, and I like it. I like the way it feels. Feels good in the hand. Now, if you want to be precise, you want to like really be precise, it's not the best to be precise with. Don't get me wrong. You might want something that's really small just to be precise. If you want to be detailed, this I'm not precise with. I use this to cut stuff, and I use it, like I said, to really get in there and sand and just do it just like that. Sand all around. So I needed something with a good grip. This is not a precision tool. So there it is. There's the low mode. And there's the high. But it's holding up. I mean, I've had the other Dremel, I already sold it. But yeah, it was all banged up and scratched up and stained. Had that one for like, I think I made that one to 4 or 5 years. I used it quite often and it worked wonders. Now I have this one, I'm sure this will do the same. But other than that, so what do you get in the box for? I can't remember how much this was, but you get all the different little settings. Now, if you want to be precise and, you know, like look at the small bits. You could use it for that, but it's a little bit thicker. It's not like you're going to really write in thin cursive or anything. But, you know, you can get the job done like that. Here's a router piece that you can take off this head right here. You can unscrew this, and then you could screw this one on and use it as a router to route things out. So you do have that router adapter. And you have different cutting pieces. Now this is a separate kit. This kit comes with a few things, but I added extra stuff from the other Dremel kit that I had. I have like hundreds of the sandpapers, different grit sandpapers, your stone. You know, you got hardwire bristle, maybe scrape some paint off of something if you need to. You got your buffer wheels and different cutting pieces to cut steel. If you've seen my other videos, I cut locks with this, cut through steel bars, tools, and it actually works wonders. So it's just too bad I don't get out in the barn. When I first started, it was out in the garage until I moved, but it's unfortunate I don't get out there like I used to. I have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old now, but I was out in the barn, you know, always making something, doing something, and just kind of hanging out, enjoying the moments. Now I'm in the house, more so making videos with the kids right in the next room. So I'm surprised they're giving me this time to make a quick video, an update video to let you know that I still dig this. Just don't use it as much as I want. And I do plan on getting out there making a few more wood pieces, so when I do, I'll make a video. There's lots of videos of me doing that now that's out. But anyway, here's the charger. Came with 1 battery, has your booklet. And yeah, I like to do stuff like this. So I'll stop rambling on. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you a piece of my day, and we'll see you next time. Peace.